from Sooner Standards Evaluating Device Components Through Other Users' Eyes, a complete Grade 7 Computer Science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.CS.D.01. Students learn to evaluate existing computing devices and recommend improvements to the design based on how other users interact with the device. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of observing yourself versus others, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons as of no prep. HQIM aligned instruction across 35, ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers